United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 213, Enforcement with respect to pollution from land-based sources. States shall enforce their laws and regulations adopted in accordance with Article 207, and shall adopt laws and regulations, and take other measures necessary to implement applicable international rules and standards established through competent international organizations or diplomatic conference to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment from land-based sources.